Hey, what's going on, everybody? I've been getting a ton of emails and a ton of text messages for people asking me about where they can find better deals. Well, that's not the right question. The right question actually is, and you really need to sit down and think about this one, is why would an investor bring you a deal? Because the reality is this: good operators don't need more exposure. They need the right capital. Investing for 25 years, being in this space, I've actually seen what makes an investor valuable. And I'll tell you this, it's not just money. You see, the first thing, it's clarity. Operators need to understand that you know exactly what you're investing in, how long your money is going to be locked up for, what your time horizon is, and you understand the risk of the deal. Now, if an operator has to figure that out for you, you're not an asset. You're actually a liability to them. The second thing, and this is extremely important, it's reliability. Basically, do you say what you're going to do? And if you commit, do you follow through on it? More deals fall apart because of reliability than structure. Reliable money gets invited back to each and every deal. Well, the third, it's understanding. See, if you understand how deals work, how the capital flows, what risks actually really exist, you become a lot easier to work with. You ask better questions, you move faster into deals, and more importantly, you don't panic when things take time. And that matters a lot more than people realize. And well, the last piece of the puzzle, it's alignment. Are you aligned with the operator? Do you understand the structure of the deal? Are expectations clear on both sides? Because good deals are not just about capital, they're about relationships. And this is the reason why some investors consistently see better deals than others. Not because they're lucky, because they're known. Inside the deal room, the goal is not just to show deals. It's to help investors become the right capital that deals come to, because access, it's earned. All right, guys, if you feel lost right now, don't worry. Just check out this playlist right here. It's going to be somewhere. It's on the screen where we dive into everything more in detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. If you have a deal you want me to look at, shoot me a DM.